Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate source for deep dives into the English language. Today, we're exploring the word irreverence. So, what does irreverence mean in English? Irreverence refers to a lack of respect for things that are generally taken seriously. It's often used to describe a playful or disdainful attitude towards authority or sacred matters. According to dictionaries, irreverence is often seen in behaviors that challenge or mock established norms and traditions. Now, let's dive into some synonyms. Words like disrespect, impudence, and insolence carry similar meanings, but each has its own unique nuance. For instance, disrespect is a general term for a lack of respect, while impudence suggests a bold and shameless attitude. Insolence refers to a rude or arrogant lack of respect. His irreverence towards traditional customs shocked the older members of the community. Or, her impudence in speaking out against the authority was surprising. And that wraps up our exploration of irreverence. Expanding your vocabulary is a fantastic way to enhance your communication skills. Stay tuned for more word explorations here on Thesaurus Thrive.